Okay, we're going to start another project today. So welcome back to Collins Country, and Courtney's going to do most of this. She has an RK25 that has a backhoe on it, and we have the perfect job for that. We have these gutters coming down off of this barn on all four corners, and the water drains out right here. And so what we want to do is take some corrugated pipe and bury that under the ground and daylight it down here in the woods somewhere. So basically, to get to this backfield, we ended up running our tractors back and forth through here so much, and you can see where the water washes out some of this topsoil because so much water is collected off of this barn roof. So I think putting corrugated pipe in the ground is going to be the answer to that. We're going to bury it deep enough so the tractor doesn't crush it, and this will be a great job for the RK25. Okay, here's the RK25. We have it all greased up and ready to go. It is very muddy because we've been doing a lot of work with it. This thing is a tank, and the backhoe on it is amazing. So I actually prefer the backhoe on this than the actual RK55 backhoe. This one is more powerful, but this one seems to be more nimble. The control on it is super smooth. The bucket rotation is a little bit better than the RK55. So we really like this. But Courtney's going to be using this tractor, and she's going to get all these ditches dug for me. Okay, so Courtney is starting to get the hang of it, I think. But anyways, there was a little trick there that I could get on the front of the tractor and actually move it for her so she didn't have to get off the backhoe. But for me, I'm very much of a hands-on guy, and it is hard for me to sit here and watch this. So, not that she's doing a bad job, but I think we're going to transition so she can start doing some other things on the farm, and I think I'm going to take over on the backhoe. Not to mention, I do find it very fun. Man, I feel like a kid in the sandbox. This is great. I absolutely love running this kind of equipment. I find it very enjoyable and very relaxing. And after a while, you really do feel like this is just an extension of your arms. I mean, you get really good at it, very efficient at it. I love this thing.
The RK25 did great. So here's the trench. Starts there. All the way down to inside the woods. It's nice and deep too. Looks great. So we're gonna get ready to put the pipe in. This one is done. Looks great. We'll grade it out perfectly a little bit later, but now he's starting to dig the trench for the second one. James got that one over there graded out real nice. And this one is done, still needs to be graded out. He's got to bring in a little bit more dirt, but good enough for now. And now he's working on the third one over here on this side of the pole barn. And now all of this side is done. Looks great.
Okay, so we did get everything tilled back up. We got our straw down on top of our seed, and everything's looking good. It's been a couple weeks now, and we actually do have some seed that is starting to germinate. We've had several frosts, so here in a couple days, when it reaches back up to 80 degrees, that stuff's gonna skyrocket, and it's gonna look really good. So all of the downspouts are finished, and I'm happy about that, because it was kind of a nightmare trying to drive through here when it would rain, and then we'd just slide down the hill. So hopefully we can grow some good grass. We'll call that good. Thanks for watching.